In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your MacBook Air M4. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to go on your Bluetooth speaker and put it in pairing mode. Now it really depends on which brand you have. This one over here, to put it in pairing mode, I need to turn it on first. And then there is a pairing button right here I need to keep press. And now it's in pairing mode. Yours may be different. You may not have a pairing button. If you cannot find one, press the power button during around 7 seconds until you hear pairing mode activated. Depending on your model, it will be different. Anyway, put your speaker aside, close from your Mac. And then we need to go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, select System Settings. Then on the left side menu, you need to find Bluetooth. It should be one of the top options. Click on it. And under Nearby Devices, your speaker should appear. Over here, it has detected it. It thinks it's a headset. Maybe yours will be detected as a headset as well. Maybe it will show a speaker icon. But overall, it will appear here. Simply click Connect. Wait a few seconds. And you're going to have the confirmation. It will be on the top and it will say connected. And now you can go ahead, open YouTube, Netflix, whatever music app you want to listen from, and it will work. If you want to switch to the internal speakers of your MacBook, you simply need to go on the top right corner where you see this icon, click on it, and then select Sound. And you see currently the speaker is the one selected since it has a blue icon. If I want to go back to the MacBook speakers, I'll click on MacBook Air speakers. It will be blue and the sound will switch to the speakers instead. If you want to completely delete your speaker from your Mac because maybe you won't use it anymore, you simply need to go back into the Bluetooth menu, select the eye icon, and then select Forget this device, Forget device, and it will be completely deleted from your Mac. This is only when you don't intend to use the speaker anymore with your computer. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.